Hello everyone. So our next topic is all about combo box. So we are done with the check button. We are done with the radio button. So now here we have to understand one thing before we start. See, from tkinter import everything. It means it will import all the tk widget set. That is a theme of widgets available in the tk function. Okay, but there are some more improved version and obviously look wise good theme set available that is inside of ttk. That is the latest one which is replacing the older one version, and in latest version of this ttk we have combo box. That's why we have to write from tkinter import ttk but as tk. Okay, you can write any other name also. So purposely when you are defining combo box, you have to write tk dot and then combo box, because when it was label and everything, entry button, everything, it was we used to write b1 equal to button, e1 equal to entry, l1 equal to label directly, no need of tk dot. But as we are importing one more module from tkinter, that is import ttk, okay, as what tk, and it is available only in combo box. I have some part in comment section. That means right now we are not going to execute this, okay, but we will right now focus only on combo box and then we will come back to this part. So again, this is main window, this is title, as I said, integer variable for check button, string variable for radio button, again string variable for combo box, and we have fruits. Okay, then this is nothing but tuples, mango, apple, banana, guava, something like this entries. So we have stored everything into this. And obviously, what is the meaning of combo box? It is nothing but just like a drop down, okay, arrow, and that square rectangle box will come. So we are creating combo box, okay, using the new version, that is tk, and this is our main window name. Value we want that we are extracting value from this variable, that is entries. All the values will get extracted because it is not single value, it is multiple values. Okay, so we have to store in one variable first. Then we have given text variable name, that is fruits only, and then obviously we have to pack this function. Sorry, we have to pack this using the pack function. And this is last line is geometry and main loop. So we will check the output of this, control S F5. Okay, so this is nothing but your drop down with the apple, banana, mango, etc. See, we can easily select. Okay, so what I wanted to say is, like if you have a something like this code, okay, that style is a one variable that is with small, but tk.Style is the inbuilt, okay, and we are configuring that. Okay, for so see, this is only the difference in ttk, okay, module. We cannot have fg equal to and bg equal to. We have to write foreground equal to, background equal to, full spelling, like full all the alphabets. And then here also see, we are not writing only label, we are writing tk.Label, tk.Label. So label is possible in both the ways. In the normal situation, using only label without this line, that is also possible, but combo box is not possible. For combo box, we have to write this statement, then only we can execute it, because this combo box is part of this only. Okay, and then obviously L1.pack and L2.pack and all that things. So we can see the output of this also. See, it is coming red color as a background and black color as a foreground. See, okay. So why this line is important? Because obviously in Python now we have new version. We have so many theme widget, like many widget set with the different themes, you can say. Okay, so we can use those things, and in the latest version, that is inside the ttk, we have all the latest version. That's why we are using that statement. Thank you everyone.